Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Mary. Guys, I'm so excited. Ask me why. Because of my new look, guys. Oh my god, guys, I love this my look. Okay guys, first, if you have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Guys, make sure you subscribe. Let me give you like 3 seconds so that you can subscribe, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey, thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I love you so much, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look today. As you can see, I'm glowing, guys. What do you think about this hair? Leave a comment down there. Tell me what's your take about this hair? How do I look? Do you love it or it's a name for you? Tell me, guys. So these are 3 packets of malli braid crotchet. So definitely I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. Okay? Yes, usual, guys. You're my farm and I have to do that for you. Yeah, thank you guys for subscribing. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for tuning in always. Okay, I love you so much, guys. You can as well share this video so that it can reach more people so that they can subscribe, right? Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I love this look. First, guys, I want to tell you why I chose this kind of hair. First thing, it's not expensive. Okay guys, it's so affordable, you can afford it. Because one packet it goes for 315 shillings, you see. That's a bit affordable and I used 3 packets, guys. This is color number 33. Okay, color number 33. So the second thing, guys, why I chose this hair, it's because it's a bit light, very light. It won't remove all your baby hairs, damage your hair. No, it's very light, guys. So you can walk with it comfortably. You won't feel like you are carrying a stone. You understand? Yeah, guys. The third thing is, with this hair you can install it very easily, guys. I just used my 30 minutes to install this hair. Can you imagine going to the salon, staying like 5 good hours, guys, sitting there, somebody is installing your hair or braiding your hair? It's a need for me. So I chose this hair because, guys, only 30 minutes to install this hair. You are going to use only 30 minutes, guys. So I preferred it because of that. Okay, guys. Another thing, you can find this hair on all beauty shops. It's not that hair that you will go to this beauty shop, you won't find it. You have to go around and around looking for it. You will find it in all beauty shops, right? Yes, guys, that's why I chose this hair. And you see, so nice. I feel so good with it. So let's go right and do the vlogging so that I can show you what I did step by step, guys. No skipping. I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, right? Yeah, stay tuned, watch this video till the end so that you can as well install yours. Tag me on Instagram at Meryl_254, Facebook Mary NZILU, guys, right? Yeah, let's go. This is the hair I'm going to use. It's called malli crochet braid, guys. Okay, you can get it from any beauty shop, Best Lady, supermarket. Okay guys, it's called Malli crochet. Hope you can see it very well. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Let's go. Let's open it and see what is inside, how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. The name of the hair is malli crochet braid, guys. Take a screenshot. Okay. This is how it looks like, guys. You see, we have 15 strands and 15 strands. That is 30 strands per packet, and I have 3 packets, guys. So let's install it, guys. Let's install it. I'm going to use my crochet over here as usual. In my hair, I have the lines already, guys. I have the lines already. I have 10 lines, and my hair is 90 strands. So of course that means that per line is 9 strands. Okay, but I think this line from here up to here is a bit short, so it's like I'm going to do 5 over here and 11 over here. You get it? Yes, guys. Let's go. Let's start, guys. Now, guys, I want to show you how I do it. Start here. This way. You insert your crochet inside, then on this hook you just hook your hair like this inside there, close your crochet, then you pull it. You pull it like that, then you have this space over here, fix it. guys, we are progressing well. Okay. Guys, this is one packet. I'm done with one packet. 2 more packets to go. Okay. Hope you're enjoying the vlog. So guys, I'm done with cleaning my back, okay, crocheting at the back. So I have this portion of hair that has remained. This one I use it to fill in the spaces that I might have been skipped. Okay guys, you might skip some spaces and you might skip spaces everywhere guys. So I'm going to use this portion of hair to fill in them spaces. And we'll be done. Okay, let's go. Yeah, like this, and you will be able to fill the spaces that you have left guys. So you take your crochet again and you go in filling the spaces. You fill in the spaces. Okay. we are done, and this is my final look, guys. Let's use our TCB spray, guys. This is what we are going to use to spray on my hair so that it can shine a bit. Oh. Guys, what do you think about my hair? Is it a yes or a nay, guys? Tell me, guys. Is it a nay or a yay? Okay, guys, tell me. Leave a comment down there. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please, guys, just subscribe to this channel. Expect more gorgeous videos from me, guys. Yes, you can as well tell me what to improve on, guys, the kind of the videos you want to see in this channel, because you are my fan. Okay. I love my look, guys. I love it. This is my new look. Guys, what do you think about it? I'm so excited, guys. Hey, guys, we are going to continue slowly like this, doing gorgeous videos. Yes, guys. Yes, tell me what to improve on. Follow me on IG at Mario_254, guys. Follow me, okay? Let's have a chat. Let's enjoy ourselves, interact, do collabos. Okay? Yeah, I love you, my family. I love you so much. You are the reason why I am here. Okay? Yeah. Bye bye. See you next time. Okay? Continue tuning in, guys. Bye.